In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a data table from Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Word. Transferring a table from Excel into Word is a very useful skill, especially when you're working on reports, presentations, or documents that require organized data. The good thing is that Microsoft makes this process simple, and you can choose how your table appears once it's inside your Word document. To begin, open your file in Microsoft Excel and locate the table you want to copy. Make sure all the data you need is visible and properly arranged. Once you're ready, click and drag your mouse across the cells to highlight the entire table. Be careful to include all the rows and columns you want to transfer. After selecting the table, right-click on the highlighted area and choose Copy, or simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This will copy the selected data to your clipboard. Next, open Microsoft Word and go to the document where you want to place your table. Click on the exact spot where you want the table to appear. This helps ensure your formatting stays organized and your document looks clean. Now, right-click on the page and select Paste, or press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. As soon as you paste the table, you may notice a small icon appear near it. This is the Paste Options button, which allows you to control how the table is inserted. You can choose to keep the original formatting from Excel, match the formatting of your Word document, or paste the data as a picture. Each option has its own advantage depending on how you want your table to look and behave. If you want the table to remain connected to the Excel file so it updates automatically when the source data changes, you can use the Paste Special option and select a linked format. This is especially helpful when working with data that may be updated frequently. After pasting, you can click on the table in Word to adjust its size, alignment, or design using the table tools available on the ribbon. This allows you to make sure the table fits well within your document layout. As a helpful tip, always review your table after pasting to ensure everything appears correctly, especially if your Excel data contains formulas, special formatting, or merged cells. And that's it. You now know how to copy a data table from Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.